Hi folks, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing, or should I say unpacking, the iBall Kids Star Wired Headphone without mic. Um, it seems to be a pretty simple device. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of information available outside. So let's just dive straight into the unboxing. And there you have it, the iBall Kids Star wired headphone without mic. Seems to be your pretty standard on-ear headphone setup with this headband on top, adjustable on both sides for comfort as required. You have your 3.5 mm jack audio connection over here for connecting to your devices, and you have as part of the connection cable, you also have the volume controls over here, as you can see. And there you have it, the iBall Kids Star wired headphone without mic. Thank you for watching.